Yamwachibim Sada was said Badwam TV Badwam Jumedi so yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kotegwa sinin Kranshan Sama what ya bray dear do sonny Badwam Cassia and some of the overty will be any aba you and fear doom what tree and nine in my hodia chur no amen ne make us say what's on an monsieur do ye the honsome no ebebro. Now for ya call a year baby any and ya so be quite. Na emerged the force to a fee pan and minute won. I would join more. I don't need Simbi. I don't pay a day so more. Adom TV, Bedroom Casio, call Facebook /Adom TV. Extra, ya dem live or call Go TV and so I channel near 119. DSTV 280. Oko YouTube, search Adom TV tube. Nakwa adomonline.com. In Semini, Sembebre, Ewoho. Media fear among Kwa Tamaklo. A fear any deviant said and some nichumu and Kasa etie. Abayu afein wenye mfie dungotri ya ding ede Gloria day. Ede ye nyina mahoden kane bi a no ama wato na nanu nsiado wo entweje nkwanta ben bebie ni wo anwea so atwema mponua mansin mu e wasantimantam mu.
Ni nua kuma ba ne ba oya adwuma bi. Ndim na oti hehe no ne dika tum dika ye fa ne kwano. Wona ko so eye mi nua. Ono no bowra ho. Ndim no bowra ho no na on she pants on sha tade ana wodai ya ana ayo no esi ni so enti ma gya tum se nyi ni se nipa bewu ana se be na adwene nya obaka progo ayo ade esi na koma so se okunu ede ba ko be pre ama ayo na tofo enti na wodai ya ayo no sini so ne na me gidi se obi na di ni bone na oya da ko progo ayo no ri sini so kodi ina hini aposifo nsema si ade ni investigation si ade ni ko mi ni no o ma me na so emebusa me hwe nti sese nyamboa e kira ana o ma se me mla nyina hin e de obi ana o mo kan kire ma kise le ni se na se aposifo o me bana o wu no akoma ti kasa me kasa bore ti man e se o mo nye hwe mu fiko me hu me ba no ye ku me ba no ni hia no
Adishani ejadi former tichiwe wo baby ani anwea so be kwa mensim wo Western North said nedie efini mene wo mo pa wo se de efini ball na bobo chenko wo ho no a nye hadwen apomuden famukura no enkoye
bola ide yentimi ntina hakula bosum be se ennan ni da bia bola itim he yentimi nya hwe agu bola na manadru container entimi nya kwanpo ne mawuram akoyi miniema woti ha se ya toilet wom bibia mo awu mo de betutum enti yate ya pampan kwa ne ya fam wo ha se nipa ne ne no de abeto ho mo so meto aduane wo ho aduane man se amadwuma na akofom ebi se nipa no be den abeto aduane no ese ha be kro bia so twa bola ni nwahia e na bola na abeka kota ni mfimfi eti container na nkasa omunyi free ankasa emfa nkwonwulem ba bi kura de nkasa ebepota bi akotina asie ya nkachele se bibia wo wiase adekwana na ehira ye toma no ene bola ne kete ne sira ne se wo beti maye
Samuel Kwegri the assemblyman ewo Newtown electoral area oni amane boni enkomo twetwe mu no no so kato asese wabɔ mpanyinfo amane bebree senka wo metu border no efri hɔ no mo ema wonom nanso besi ne yia no nya de sempanyinfo etu hu anamon bia
together with unit committee the Anezum Lion for Kasaya na small one is your the Kasaya no omo the bigger ones too na ba besi yo it you know it's up to us say you be manage the ama overflow na ba no as with Nansen challenges are Zoom Lion for nya your casa sa containers no and I believe say you 2-1 amount so when the machines are up definitely we will work on it now and making sure say yeah man for on be never be out from ball idea
Gentwa so na make say efie bedua sade ewo nzema nkwanta ekro bi wo baby ani anwa so bekwai Western North Mantam no emu a efie aduasa no electricity pole ba ko no omu nyina atwe edi free show omu hu senya no kwan so no obi hu ya no no akofa mpampuro bi no ode atwe saa na ekoso nti osre penifo wo mehwe na nyina ma hoden hu nsam woni hu dwuma sebe ya de ekoso yi ebebrase
nseska ye ni bi enya dwuma papa bi anyede enye ene nsesanka ye wo meter na ye wa fridge a keni tambia no pia watakwa aton ayeto so boro ton ayeto bibia ni ho a be shefi dwuma beton ayede ye nto enti asra ban so mo aye wo meters ne ho
nam so ya na ye twitwa ndua de asisi ye asisi light na ho ma no
enti amansuo to na flama ne fa na dua na bubu nti na o madum light ye mba na o muntimi nsua de
free akoni nyina mita ni ho pole so ni ho tebe kwansi ni ba ko a eto aso kɔ kuro na kini nyina no omo nyina de mpampuro na nnua nketenkete saa na sebi omo ye de omo twe light ne de kwa em
anya latisifo no ama suppose ampa ahoma papa anya amaye no obi asole a no so pese obedasu nti onya ahoma bi kura no a said na ode akoso obi die mu na oso nti za wo kan say ahoma no nya papa meti wase ahoma mo de enye
Samuel Abugri assemblyman ono so da ne de se mfie bebreni ene wayi mpanyinfo asutire sanka wo metu se nyina mahodin ha wi hu anamo ema wonom nanso enya de se wati bibia afri wonom ho de sentene kasa yemu no wasan de hadesrede ato mensini krache ene bibia ni anwa so bekwa yemrahye bedwani ene mu se ene manimu yia no wo metu hu anamo ma wono se de be ya mfa wo yone bia emmekrom honom
ba ye no kwasem ni me beto problem nanso man antena me shase tu anamo companyfo media houses me no kase kura me ne me denkrata eko assembly MC me dia koma MC me dia koma MP me dia ko ECG ho ankasa se na be ya entempanyfo betu anamo ama electricity poles ene ye meters ense be kan ntem ama abusuafo mu hia be ya adwuma enkola mu hia be sua de so atumi asua de se na be ya yemputunwuma betu akoso me electric area hase
Mpanimfoɔ ya wɔn mo wɔ National Drip Secretariat abo pro akɔ Upper East, North East and Northern Region. Ya wɔn mo kɔhwɛ sɛdeɛ mfidie no ɛteɛ na wɔn du hɔ no nyame anim ni wɔso wɔn ho adwiri wɔn mo pa ne chichiw ne concrete mixer no. Wɔn de ayɛ adwuma wie po bosumi no mu agya si hɔ saa basa ɛwɔ Telensi Mensin no mu.
The drip machines are falling apart. Here we have the concrete mixers. One of them is almost broken apart. It's new, but it's broken apart. And they say that when they were dropping them from the vehicle that they got spoiled. But one would have expected that they should make efforts to fix it back. But it's still lying there after several months of delivery. And the other one that they have used, the concrete mixer, they didn't clean the concrete mixer after packing it for several months, and the whole place is messed up with concrete and whatever. So this will not let the concrete mixer last if you don't treat it properly. After work, it's supposed to be cleaned nicely, and then the bucket into which the concrete is packed should be washed and then turned upside down so that rainwater cannot collect them. But when we came, it had collected a lot of rainwater. A system has been put in place now that people should realize that the drip machines are not like personal machines where you can hire them out to companies or individuals to do their own thing. They are meant to develop the district roads so that food can come from the hinterland and become cheap in the cities and in the towns.
Clifford Atanga Chief Coordinating Officer ewo Telensi Mensin ni mu Abraham Panyinfo toto na no ebisa ne nti efi ofurisi obusumi mu wonom ede concrete mixer akoye adwuma ya wanhoro ho aba beje asi honom basasa no wo kire de nti ma ne ba ne sa.
So for the cleaning I've already explained that it is our fault that we use it and did not clean. But as to why we use it, I told you we had an emergency from the town to our district hospital. We had one of our culverts that broke down. So at a point, we didn't have money on common fund or any other source. But then we were able to mobilize our own IGF, locally generated fund, to work on it. Like I said, the day they finish, each time they use, they clean. But the last day, I did not check. The last day they finished, I did not check until today. I didn't even.
Adom TV Badwam Kasiana Oguso Shana 24 ya one more from Kwanta South call a Eastern Corridor ho Timantum no mu no de nei wo Brewania City just one more tna hoda ho if you said dear koso and tokoya koso Kwanta South ni enti santo kwasemi ni pedum dubako and nam so at one and one do a final year student or one Kwanta senior high in Ponso nam so at one and one series.
Biasi ni we du biasi. Okay. Me kwa nkwanta me na me umi kwa yi. Na ebedu hano nkwanta ndo kwa ni ntimi nko. Ajesi atana se ochina nyame bo asu sokwa kanza na ewetimi akọ. E de marketing titi asa ana ntontoma re ensa. esi ekɔ yie ne yɛsa kɔfa yale foforɔ so sa so ayɛ ho nti aban na na yɛsɛ nso ɔmɛboa yɛn na ntɔkwa na ɛkɔkɔ so na atuntwa bia ne kɔ at me first time I see to go in the mountain. What did I find? The car, the panel. Then the fantasy.
Okay.
But I have you ever find a service? I understand why. Yeah, fine. Say I think
I'm not going to panic and because Ghana and no more. This is Anna. Mkwala ukuru mu. Wasa abanye de abantu ni nesi. Abanye de etini nesi no mu jani mu yo because we ka wan ye ba ko pene de ba aha na yesu yete. Yesra abanye se pa na chowa bini o mu tu na mu ye ba wa. Share that. Say. Eh father. Okay. And the what the money today? Why? More quick. Oh, okay.
But you can't feel it in a power.
I went out more quick. You find a more quick. Oh, okay.
Asutifi South mensin mokrache Benjamin Asabil Donko na ene wodina no atomu bie se oba St Elizabeth Hospital a ewo hwidie mu no a blood bank ho no moja kakra ni ho to besre na wo meyi bi ma se be ye obi pufri mu hia moja ye benya bi ede ache no
hospital no said ye umbra moja 70 city ye froze o yare na okoda hospital na e ka se ebo moja ya na e din ma wo mu pa bre me anka se biesi manim ebi kura bagiska ho so de kotomo janso omunya bi ti bro mka se go for ta mochi no ade a emeni so kase pa enti na akonya we me gina so de ada go for ase papa se go for do maye no asoma ni bebre na me nim se go for bit maye sa o maye we no o mane nka honko a me nim se nya hanko no mu ye no o mako wi Ghana ha nyina but me had me this is idea me se go for se o mko a o mu samra biom no beto aso enyama me do mas
Felix Gajatu eye laboratory scientist e was St Elizabeth Yaresabia honomo ne kasa ye mu no wonu su kire mu se ade ba ko ha wono madwene wa Yaresabia honomo eye moja dodo a e ba sesese wode ma ayarefo se bia ho beto wono mu a wonie ne senti na ehu ahia se wone golfo ka won ho bomu edi sa adwuman
your blood issue e was St Elizabeth Hospital e ade a higher pa because there are times I over blood bank only to realize when over 6 units, 5 units, like a hospital like St Elizabeth Hospital, and the blood and some the idea here, and at least your status need here not less than 20 units in the bank, but it will call from to 6 units, and idea baby and the sad human way. And I go for a partner with St Elizabeth, any district assembly there. A idea I bet me a bois, you bet me a blood baby, a war, your bank honoma, I bet me a bois, I save a lot of life.
Enye no Adom TV Badwam kase no ye de si ha ye da semre ne adaje wadaroma de bonkrata ne Adom online stories no ye de toaso me de afia amankwa tamaklo ye basisi